Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have IAM rights and a target region. Now start. Open the CloudWatch console and click Dashboards, then create Dashboard and give it a clear name so teammates recognize purpose. Once done, pick a widget type for your first tile, choose line, number, or gauge for high-level metrics. Make sure to use predictable naming and a consistent time zone. This first widget anchors the layout and lets you iterate fast. Add a couple of placeholders to visualize space before adding detailed metrics. Once your canvas exists, add metrics. Click Add Widget and search by namespace or metric name so you get the exact resource. You'll pick the widget type, then set period and statistic, for example 1M period with average for smoothing noisy telemetry. Make sure to set units to avoid misreadings. If you need computed values, use metric math to combine metrics or embed a logs insights query for log-based visuals. After configuring, preview and adjust colors, labels, and y-axis scaling for clarity. To finish, click Save Dashboard, set an appropriate default time range, and enable auto-refresh so charts stay live. You can export or copy the dashboard JSON to replicate in other accounts. Give collaborators IAM permissions to view or edit as needed. Once done, optionally create alarms directly from widgets to get alerts. If a metric doesn't appear, check the namespace, resource tags, and that the data pushes to CloudWatch. Also confirm your IAM can describe metrics. That's the common culprit when data seems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.